Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo Chef. Welcome back to my bar. Have you ever stumbled across a recipe that's just so weird that you can't help it? You have to try it. I mean, it happens to me in the kitchen all the time, sometimes by accident, sometimes because people give me an idea. But this one's an accident that turned out to be a happy accident. Now, I'm going to tell you up front, the ingredients do not sound good together. It does not look good in the glass, but man, is this an amazingly good drink. So I call it a chocolate cherry scotch. I know, sounds weird, and it is. So what's in it? Well, got to have chocolate. So chocolate bitters. We got to have cherry. So I've got some Luxardo cherries. If you don't want to spend money on the expensive stuff, it's okay to buy the off-brand, but these are the best. And you're going to need some of that syrup. Now is where it starts getting strange, okay? Now, I mentioned scotch, and if you've watched some of my other videos, you've probably seen me show this monkey shoulder blended scotch. And I have to tell you, I hate blended scotch. This was left at my house. I don't drink it by the glass, but it mixes well. But who would have ever thought of mixing scotch with gin? Yeah, it doesn't even sound good, but it is. I promise you, it's really good. Now, last but not least, we need three more things. We need some simple syrup, a half a lemon, and here's the weird part, some vanilla. In a shaker full of ice, I'm going to juice half a lemon. I'm going to add a half an ounce of simple syrup. And to that half an ounce of simple syrup, I'm going to add about a quarter of an ounce of vanilla extract. Now, I'm using this Molina Mexican vanilla blend, but use any good vanilla extract is fine. About 2 shots of chocolate bitters, a half an ounce of London dry gin. Now, I'm using Tanqueray, but use whatever you want. 1 ounce of a blended scotch. Give this a good shake. We're going to strain that right into the glass. And it has a very odd look to it. It's almost like a chocolatey, watery mess, but it is really good. Now here's how we're going to finish this. With a cherry, just take a Luxardo cherry and a bar spoonful of the cherry juice. Just drizzle it right over the ice cube and let it roll in. Then just give it a real soft stir. There it is. I told you it looked weird. Smells amazing. And oh my goodness, it is a very unique cocktail that is really, really good. Till next time, if there's something you'd like me to make, something you'd like me to try, something weird like this, all you got to do is let me know. Comment right here on this video or send me an email, bill@kansasflamingochef.com. Have an awesome day. Eat and drink fabulous. I'll see you soon.